Now, dito nga kami sa Circle. Tapos si John Ray. Ngayon po, dapat ngayon po kasi yung celebration ng aming anniversary. Kaso nga lang po, kami lang 5 ang pumunta. Yung mga hindi pumunta, salamat na rin kahit papano. Pero, itong 4 na to talagang masaya na kami. Masaya talaga kami. Kayo yung hindi sumama, yung mga hindi sumama, bahala na kayo, basta kami. Tunay kami masaya. Tunay kaming sus, ganito yun.
Walang ganyan.
Ganito yun eh.
Walang ganyan.
Walang ganunan, pero kahit sabihin natin, talaga nasaktan kami. Lalo na to si Tyler. Pa-smile lang to, pero yung dito niya masakit. Namaga eh. Namaga. Ito si Gerald. Sa totoo lang, walang ano yan.
Walang gana yan kasi.
Walang gana yan eh.
Katatapos ang magano yan eh.
G, ano yung pinapanood mo? Sus, Gerald! Ay, nako!
Oh, bakit daw? Halika dito, halika.
Ano ba yan? Na.
Ayaw mo?
Sus, may susundan lang ako. Pag nandito yung chicks ko eh. Ikaw, importante ka.
Kami.
Yo, what's up? What can you say about b-boying?
About?
B-boying.
Why are you dancing?
Because I'm dancing. B-boying is my life.
Your life?
I love being a b-boy.
Okay, what's the b-boy of your name? What's b-boy? What's your
My
name?
name is B-boy P.
P for what?
P for Pogi.
P.
Yeah.
Yo, hey Gerald.
Yes, my name's Gerard.
Okay, thank you. Hey Sarem, I have a question for you.
Continue. Go, okay, go.
Why you still love Jill Mary?
I don't know. I just know I love her. I love her as I love myself.
Hey John Ray,
Well,
why your body's slim? You're not fatty.
buong sideways.
Ako nga pala si Jeric. Sige.
Hey, you.
Oh, what's up?
Naka-red.
Motherfucker.
Oh, what's the problem, man?
What's your talent?
Bakit ang pangit?
I have a lot of talent, yeah. Acting, man. Dancing and singing.
And pole dancing?
So, what's your face? Good banana. Good banana. Okay.
The banana pie.
What else, man?
Banana cue, banana cake.
Ano?
Is banana healthy in our body? You know, we
Give
need
him
to
a
go a while ago, and our